to LibOps channel. In today's video, I will show you a CRUD application I made in Go. I built it to learn the basics of Go, and I'll explain the key parts of the code in an easy way. So first of all, I am using the Gorilla Mux package. It's a powerful HTTP router and URL matcher for building Go web servers. For good practices, I created two structures, book and author. Both are related. And let's continue with the set JSON content function. And this sets the HTTP response. The content type is JSON. And so after that, I made the get book function, and it handles the get request to retrieve all of the books. And it sets the response content in a JSON format, and it encodes the list of the books into the response here. After that, I created the delete book function, and it handles the HTTP delete request to remove a book by the ID, and it searches for the book in the list, like here, and when it's found, returns the updated list. Next, I have the get book function. It handles the HTTP get request to retrieve a specific book. It searches, and if it is found by the ID, it encodes it and responds with that item. After that, I made the create book. It handles the HTTP post request to add a new book, and it encodes the book data from the request body. This is the request body, and assigns a random ID. It creates a random ID and adds the new item to the list. And after that, before to response, it had to be encoded. And the last one is the update book function. It handles an HTTP put request to update an existing book by the ID, and it removes the old book entry. In this part, you have to remove the old item, and after that, you have to fill with the new item, and also it adds the updated book to the list, and after that, it will returns. And the main function. In this part, I set up the HTTP server and also the routes using the Gorilla Mux router, and it defines the endpoints of the CRUD application, like books and books by ID, the get book, create, update, and delete. And it starts the server on port 80,000. In conclusion, I show you a CRUD application made in Golang. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon.